If you have champagne taste, on a beer budget, you're in the right place. Are you always trying to find a video you just watched on YouTube? Me too. Let me show you the fastest way to get back to your recently watched videos. On your phone, open the YouTube app. Depending on your version, you'll either tap Library at the bottom, then tap History, or tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Then tap View All beside History. Either way, you'll get a full list of your recently watched videos. On your computer, open YouTube. In the left menu, click History. If the menu's collapsed, click the 3 lines at the top to expand it first. On your TV, click your profile icon in the top left to expand the menu. Scroll down and click on Library, then select the History icon at the top to see all your recently watched videos. And that's it, no more endless scrolling. If this helped you, hit that like, subscribe, and check out my other quick YouTube tips and glam DIY videos. See you next time.